Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video, and thank you for clicking on this one, and thank you for engaging on the previous videos. You guys are amazing, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Here is a little story of why I chose to live here in the village. First of all, at a certain age, one has to be independent and one has to be responsible. But then again, it depends on if you are able to go out of your mother's place or what. But I was able to do that at the age of around mid-20s, but I couldn't go out because you know why? Black tax got me on my neck. So I stayed at my mother's place and I had 2 kids there. Then I paid my dues about black tax, and that's when I had said no, enough is enough. Whatever I'm doing here, it's not gonna belong to me. Whatever it is that I'm doing, whatever I have bought belongs to the family house. So it's time for me to have my own things. And I told them I am going to look for a stand, and everyone was just like surprised. No one saw it coming, but I had to leave and make things for me and my kids. And moving out was the best decision ever that I have made in my life. And I made the decision while everyone else was still in good terms. So I stayed here because I wanted a free, simple, low life that will be comfortable for my income, because I am a middle income person, and moving to the suburbs or somewhere in town to rent and still take care of other things at home like I am still doing right now, it was not going to be practical for me. So staying in a free space where I do not even pay rent was a best decision ever, and I do not regret staying in the village because it is very slow for my character. I am a homebody. I do not go out over the weekends. After coming back from work every Friday, like I'm going to work Monday to Friday, and then Saturdays I'll be doing my chores, and Sunday I'll be resting. Those things of being in and out of places, it's not my style. So that's why I chose to live here. And I really enjoy interacting with my neighbors, but I do not interact with everyone. I have this one neighbor that I do interact with personally. Yeah, I am a friendly person. Everyone can interact with me, but I do not open up to everybody. everyone. One thing about a life in the village, it is normal, it is a norm to greet everyone that you meet. Yes, I do greet my neighbors, but I do not chat with them, like stay over the fence and start making chats and start talking about anything and everything. Yeah, this is the best thing that is happening in the village, that you can know everyone even if you don't chat with them. You can get help because we interact with each other by just greeting. It is so necessary for us to do that, so that they recognize you, and whenever you need help, they will be flooding to you, helping you. Unlike some other places, like in the suburbs, you might not know your neighbors. I think being responsible for your life, being to manage your life, starts with life after secondary school. You'll still be depending on your parents if you are in college or in the university, those tertiary levels, because they'll be funding you and taking care of you. But being responsible starts there. When you are 18, you start to be responsible because you are classified as an adult. So I've learned that at an early age, because I went to the tertiary level. I stayed alone and managed my things, like the funds. Like when you bought your groceries, you don't have to go back and ask money again. Whatever things that you have utilized and it has finished before the end of the month, you have to manage until month end. So I realized that being responsible starts at an early age, but being independent has got terms and condition advantages. I can be responsible, but being independent depends. For me, being independent, it means you are able to do things on your own without relying on anyone. That's how I took it. And if you need help, you must have done researches first. You must have been done with planning before you can get any help, maybe from your family or from your friends or wherever you need help from. You should have done plans before. So you guys stay tuned for more village life that I am living. Guys, I don't like ironing. Reason being, the type of iron that I'm using, it doesn't iron properly. It doesn't really iron properly. That's why I do have to damp my clothes with the water. That's why I have to spray first before ironing. And when you iron, the iron gets colder. So yeah, and the type of the material there that I was using, it's a linen. It doesn't iron properly. It needs a proper iron. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, like and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.